Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on military technology from around the world. The M109 Paladin is a self-propelled artillery system that has been in service with the United States Army since the 1960s. It is a highly versatile and mobile platform that can provide accurate and devastating firepower to ground troops. One of the key features of the Paladin system is its mobility. The tracked chassis allows it to move easily across different types of terrain, and the howitzer can be fired while on the move. The Paladin also has a range of self-protection features, including smoke grenade launchers and a machine gun for close defense. The T-129 ATAK is a Turkish attack helicopter designed and manufactured by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI. The helicopter is based on the Italian Agusta Westland AW-129 helicopter, but with several key modifications and upgrades to meet the specific needs of the Turkish military. It is a twin-engine helicopter with a four-bladed rotor system and a sleek aerodynamic design. It is equipped with advanced avionics and weapons systems, including a helmet-mounted display system, a forward-looking infrared sensor, a laser rangefinder and designator, and a variety of air-to-ground missiles and rockets. The SPGH Dana is a highly mobile artillery system that was developed in the Czech Republic during the 1970s and 1980s. The acronym SPDH stands for Self-Propelled Gun Howitzer, while Dana refers to the Slavic goddess of fertility. The Dana has a range of approximately 18 kilometers and can fire up to 8 rounds per minute. One of the key features of the SPDH Dana is its advanced fire control system, which includes a digital battlefield management system, a laser rangefinder, and a navigation system. The M270 Multiple Launch Rocket System, MLRS, is a highly versatile and powerful artillery weapon system. Developed by Lockheed Martin in the United States, it has gained a reputation as a reliable and effective means of delivering devastating firepower to the battlefield. It also benefits from advanced fire control and targeting systems, allowing for precise and accurate strikes. Its integrated fire control system, coupled with Global Positioning System (GPS) guidance, enables the MLRS to hit targets with exceptional accuracy, reducing the risk of collateral damage and maximizing the effectiveness of each engagement. The ATAN, Hebrew for steadfast, is a wheeled armored personnel carrier designed and manufactured by the Israeli defense company Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. The vehicle was developed to provide the Israel Defense Forces with a highly mobile and well-protected platform for infantry transport and fire support. The ETAN has seen combat in several conflicts, including the 2014 Gaza War and the 2021 Gaza conflict. It has proven to be effective in a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, fire support, and infantry transport. The CV-90 infantry fighting vehicle is a modern and highly capable tracked armored vehicle designed and manufactured by BAE Systems Hägglunds, a Swedish defense company. It is specifically designed to transport infantry troops into the battlefield while providing them with superior protection, firepower, and mobility. Its primary role is to transport infantry squads and support their operations with integrated firepower and situational awareness. The vehicle's spacious and well-designed compartment can accommodate a fully equipped infantry squad, providing them with a protected and comfortable environment during operations. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin in the United States. It is one of the most widely used and versatile fighter aircraft in the world, with over 4,600 aircraft built and operated by over 25 countries. The aircraft is also equipped with a range of air-to-ground weapons, including laser-guided bombs and missiles, which allow it to carry out precision strikes against ground targets. It has been used in air policing missions, including NATO's Baltic Air Policing mission. Designed and developed by Northrop Grumman, the B-2 Spirit first took to the skies in 1989. It's often hailed as a marvel of modern aviation, standing as an epitome of cutting-edge technology and strategic prowess. Its primary mission is to penetrate deep into enemy territory undetected, delivering a devastating payload with remarkable accuracy. With aerial refueling capabilities, this bomber can cover vast distances without the need for frequent stops. Such endurance ensures that it can reach targets around the globe, making it a formidable force in projecting power and maintaining a strong deterrence posture. The Panzerhaubitze 2000 is a modern self-propelled howitzer, designed and manufactured by the German company Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann. It is one of the most advanced artillery systems in the world, currently in service with several countries, including Germany, Italy, Greece, and the Netherlands. It has seen action in several conflicts, including in Afghanistan, where it has been used by German and Dutch forces to support ground troops. It has proven to be a highly effective and reliable artillery system, capable of delivering accurate and devastating firepower to enemy positions. The K2 Black Panther is a South Korean main battle tank, designed and produced by Hyundai Rotem Company and currently in service with the Republic of Korea Army. It is named after the Black Panther, a large cat native to the Korean peninsula. One of the key features of the K2 Black Panther is its advanced composite armor, which is designed to provide protection against a wide range of threats, including armor-piercing rounds and rocket-propelled grenades. The tank is also equipped with a soft-kill active protection system. The Freccia Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a modern armored vehicle that was designed and manufactured by the Italian defense company Iveco Oto Melara. It is currently in service with the Italian Army, and it has been deployed in several peacekeeping missions around the world. One of the key features of the Freccia IFV is its advanced digital system, which allows for enhanced situational awareness and communication capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with a battlefield management system, a digital map display, and a satellite navigation system, which make it a valuable asset on the battlefield. The Rheinmetall Fuchs Evolution is a highly advanced armored personnel carrier, APC, developed by Rheinmetall Defense. Building upon the success and capabilities of the original Fuchs APC, the Fuchs Evolution represents a significant upgrade with enhanced features, improved performance, and modernized technologies. One of the key upgrades in the Fuchs Evolution is its enhanced mobility. The vehicle is equipped with a powerful engine, providing increased power and improved maneuverability. The advanced suspension system and high-performance drivetrain enable the Fuchs Evolution to traverse diverse terrains, including rough terrain and off-road conditions. The Altay Main Battle Tank, MBT, is a modern armored vehicle designed and developed by Otokar, a Turkish defense company. Named after General Fahrettin Altay, a distinguished Turkish military officer, the Altay MBT represents Turkey's ambition to establish a domestically produced and advanced armored platform. It incorporates advanced composite armor and modular protection systems, providing enhanced survivability against a variety of threats, including kinetic energy projectiles, anti-tank guided missiles, and improvised explosive devices. The tank's crew compartment is designed to withstand the effects of explosions and incorporates measures to reduce the risk of fire and explosion. The Mk2-MBT, main battle tank, is an armored vehicle developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, in India. One of the key features of the Mk2-MBT is its advanced protection. The tank is equipped with modular composite armor that provides enhanced defense against a range of threats, including anti-tank guided missiles, rocket-propelled grenades, and kinetic energy projectiles. The inclusion of advanced reactive armor and additional composite modules further enhances the tank's survivability on the battlefield. The UH-60L Blackhawk is a medium-lift utility helicopter that was designed and manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation. It is widely used by the United States Army and other military organizations around the world for a variety of missions, including troop transport, medical evacuation, and search and rescue operations. The helicopter's durability and versatility have made it one of the most widely used helicopters in the world. It has been used extensively in a variety of conflicts and operations, including the Gulf War, the war in Afghanistan, and the war in Iraq. The Ripsaw M5 showcases a sleek and futuristic appearance, characterized by its low-profile angular design and aggressive stance. It features a rugged steel construction, built to withstand demanding terrains and harsh environments. The vehicle's compact size and high power-to-weight ratio contribute to its exceptional maneuverability and agility on both off-road and urban landscapes. In unmanned mode, it can be remotely controlled, allowing for safe and effective reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition. In manned mode, the vehicle provides a protected and ergonomic cabin for operators, equipped with advanced controls and situational awareness systems. The Multi-Utility Tactical Transport (MUT) is a versatile unmanned ground vehicle (UGV) designed to provide support and enhance the capabilities of military forces in various operational scenarios. Developed to be adaptable and rugged, the MUT offers a range of functionalities and can be deployed in a wide range of missions. One of the key features of the MUT is its modular payload system, which allows for quick interchangeability of various mission-specific modules. These modules can include surveillance and reconnaissance systems, cargo carrying capabilities, communication equipment, weapon stations, or even medical equipment. The Patria Nemo container is an innovative and versatile containerized mortar system developed by Patria, a Finnish defense company. It provides a highly adaptable and mobile indirect fire support capability to military forces operating in various environments. The containerized design allows for seamless integration with a wide range of military vehicles, including trucks, amphibious vehicles, and naval vessels. The modular nature of the system enables it to be easily installed and removed from different platforms, providing flexibility and adaptability. The JLTV, or Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, is a modern and highly capable military vehicle that combines enhanced mobility, advanced protection, and versatile mission capabilities. Developed by Oshkosh Defense, the JLTV represents a significant advancement in the field of light tactical vehicles, providing enhanced performance and survivability for military forces. In addition to its robust design and protection features, the JLTV is equipped with advanced communication and network integration capabilities. This enables seamless integration into modern command and control systems, facilitating real-time information exchange and enhancing situational awareness for the crew and other friendly forces. The FEH-77BW Archer is a self-propelled artillery system developed by the Swedish defense company BAE Systems Bofors. It is a highly advanced and mobile artillery platform that can provide accurate and responsive fire support to ground troops. One of the key features of the Archer system is its advanced automation and computerization. The howitzer is equipped with an automatic loading system that can load and unload shells in less than 30 seconds. The system's hydraulic suspension also allows it to be raised or lowered, depending on the terrain, ensuring a stable firing platform. We appreciate you joining us on this journey through the world of military tech. To stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments section.